Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. So today I'll be showing you how to download and use Grammarly. Grammarly helps one to write without any mistakes on Facebook, Twitter, Telegram and any other app. It helps to check for any spelling, punctuation and grammatical errors that may arise while writing. It is a writing assistant that works on your desktop and in your browser, and you can use it in any place worldwide. So the first step will be to download Grammarly. We'll just head straight to our browser, and in this case I'll be using Chrome. So in the search bar, you'll just enter download Grammarly. Now in the next window, you just come to this point and click it. It's very easy to download Grammarly from this window. You just come and click this point. Grammarly will start to download in a few minutes, and when you look in the bottom left corner, you can see that Grammarly has already started to download at this point. So to find Grammarly, you just head straight to your file explorer where you will find it in your downloads. When you come to your downloads, you just see it and you can see mine here. So you just install Grammarly from this point. After installing Grammarly, you'll just head to your desktop. Yes, and this is how Grammarly will appear on your desktop. So when we open it, Grammarly will be already running in the background. And you can see from the example in the right side, in this example, we have two errors. And the two errors can be shown here through the Grammarly's widget. Now, this number 2 shows the number of errors in this specific example. Now, I'll show you an example from one of my documents. While typing any document, the Grammarly widget will appear on the right side, as seen here. Now we can see in this specific document, we have 11 errors. Now we can begin to correct the errors in this document. To know where the error is in the document, you'll see a red line. Like in this place, you can see at this point, we have a red line. So you can see the suggestion from Grammarly is that we should change the verb form to began with U instead of began with A. So to make a correction, you just tap this point and you can see it has already changed it and corrected the error. Now we can scroll down to correct a few more errors. You just scroll down. I will just scroll up to look for more errors. Yes, and at this point, we also have a suggestion from Grammarly, which should be to add a comma, and to make the change, you just click and the change will be made automatically. Now, at this point, you can see that the suggestion from Grammarly is that we write the whole sentence for clarity. So you can just check all of your errors to see where you can maybe rewrite or where you have a punctuation error, a spelling error, or just a grammatical error. Now you can realize that when we started, when I opened this document, we had around 11 errors, but now they are reduced to 9, meaning we have made 2 changes. Now, the good thing about Grammarly is that it will show you when you made an error, and it will show you the number of errors made. As you correct the errors, it will also show you the number of errors that are remaining in the specific document. Now, it's very easy to use Grammarly, and it's not that much complicated as compared to other apps. So I would like to thank you for watching this video. I will be coming back with many more ways on how to download and use other apps. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.